Hi guys, this is Pratap here, and now we are going to learn something interesting. So, as we all know, Windows is one of the most powerful operating system and widely used in the world. You see, maximum people they like Windows. Why? Because the graphical interface. So, Windows you can manage and monitor with the help of GUI, also with the CLI. Now CLI means I'm talking about this command prompt. So how you will be going to this command prompt? You will be going run and then command prompt. How will be going to the run? You will go to that Windows start menu, right click, this is run. Okay, and you can type there CMD, so command prompt will come up there. So the command prompt you see by default you know that color is black and white. If you like to change the color, you type there COLOR, let's say 2, so it's become green. If you make it color 7, it will be as it is, it will be going to old color. Now if you want to change the background, so you can make it 27. You see, now if you want to come back, mm, only 7, it will be like, it will be coming previous mode. Anyways, so sometime it happened like, let's say you are a network admin and you open multiple command prompt. If you see like, you open another command prompt, again it will be coming with the same name. Same name in the sense I'm talking about here. If you see this name is same for all that command prompt. Let's say you open one more command prompt, you see everywhere the name is same, system32 in command exe. So how you'll be change that name, right? So if you want to change that name, then you will give the command here title and type here network title and then type here. See, the name has been changed. Can you see it here? The name, it's here has been changed. So how we did it? The command is very simple. This is the command that we have. Uh, this is the command actually, title and then network red. Can you see? It is here only. So this is the way you can change the title. So next, there those command we are coming up that is really going to help you out. So what are that? Suppose you are going to check that IP address. You are going to check that IP address of this computer. So you how you will be doing IP config. So immediately see IP address is showing up here. IP config, IP config to see the IP. Now if you want to release that IP and to remove the IP, okay, and to release it, release that IP, how we will be doing? IP config then slash release. Okay, now once we'll give that, this IP will go, and how it will going I'll show you. If you see, you just check it right now, that network is here which is showing connected, right? Now once we'll perform that command IP config slash release, and it has to be limited. You can see that IP is gone. What was the IP? 192.168.43.44. You see here that IP is gone. Now 169.254.191.35. Now if I like to bring back that IP address, uh, getting IP, what command will be using? ipconfig, then renew. Once this command will run here, you'll type here ipconfig, then renew. So can you see here that Windows IP configuration, it is asking for that IP address. It's a requesting for the IP address that I will show you up. So with this IP, this command, you can get that IP address back. So it will come, it is requesting for that IP address. Next, the command that we are going to use, that is called ping. Ping is the very famous and popular command. Ping means it's a command packet internet grapher. Grapher is the guy, is the person who have discovered or invented this particular command. So with the help of ping this command, what we do, we send a echo message, and that is nothing by a ICMP packet to check the source and destination. Let's say I want to check um, my internet is working or not, I'm able to reach to Google or not. Alright, so for that purposes we used to use this. So in that case, if you open here ping google.com, once we'll do that, can you see that you are getting a reply, and we are getting IPv6 reply. Why? Because IPv4 we have released that IP address, that's why, isn't it? So when you are doing that ping configuration, ping also having a lot many types, variants, that we will discuss once this IP will come. Before that, I'm going to show you very interesting and important things. Just have a look. So suppose you are going to check the details of what, your any file or any folder has been corrupted or not, right? So in your Windows machine, so what we will be doing, right click here, or you can go here, command prompt, and can you see run as an administrator? So you are running this command prompt with a administrator privilege. See, earlier it was not coming like this. Earlier what kind of command was coming? So see, Windows System 32 like that. Now you can see it's an administrator. Now I want to see that any file has been crashed or corrupted or not. So command is what? sfc, and then scan now. So it will be scanning your file. It will take some time, and then it will be telling you all the files are fine or not. So can you see that all the verification has been started? So guys, some of the smart company, like who sell Windows optimizer or something, actually this kind of commands, they are implemented graphically. So once they will be clicking, this process actually running background. So my intention guys to educate you, rather spending money and getting those things, so you can check by your own. So that's what the thing is. Suppose now you want to check that. So this is the command, let me write for you for your reference. um, sfc, you'll be going to command prompt as a administrator mode, as an administrator mode, and then you will be running that command. What is the command? sfc then slash scan now, right? So this is that command that we have executed, and you see that process is running up here. The process started. The process started. Only 25% has been completed so far. Okay, so next command will be going. We'll check that the power, like let's say you're having a laptop, you're having a desktop you are using, right? So what is the power status that you are going to check? So you will be going command prompt again, and then you'll be typing power and then CFG configuration and then energy, right? So we'll be check that one. So in that case again we need that admin privilege to run this command. We'll be going here, start, and then command prompt, run as an administrator. Yes, we have opened as an administrator. Now you type the command there, power and then CFG and then energy. Once you execute that, oops, power CFG space energy. So observing system behavior, it will be finding all system power related information. So earlier you can see I have typed in the wrong command, so that's what it was saying, external internal command, and when second time I put that proper command, so it started taking it. Alright. Okay, so if you see uh, this, so 61% verification has been done. This is checking about your information. Alright. Okay, so next we will be going to check battery information. Let's say if you are using the laptop, so battery information, how you are going to find it out? So same, you will be going to that command prompt, and then you will be type in there power CFG, and then you type there battery and then report, battery report. So immediately it's going to show you the battery report. So again we will be going to that command prompt, run as an administrator. Yes. Now this is the administrator, right? So what you will do, you will type that command here, power CFG and then battery port, battery report. So power CFG oops. Okay, because this is the virtual machine, so that's what it's unable to perform it. because virtual machine is thinking it's a directly connected device. If you run this command in that physical machine, I mean your laptop, physical laptop, then the output is going to come up. Okay, so this was that, major information. So first we have checked about IP config, then we have learned about release, then we have learned about renew, then we have learned about how to open the command prompt with administrator mode. Then we have learned how to change the color of the command prompt, and then we have seen that, energy related information. If you want to see that, can you check it? Scan now. Windows Resource Protection didn't find any integrity violations. I mean, there is no such problem which can violate your computer with security or any file corruptions. So it is very important, guys. Just you can practice that one. And ping and other related information, we will make some other videos. So because I don't want that something will be going very big, and you won't be able to practice much then. So you, up to this much you just practice, then I will make the another one.